turn the water off, actually. There's the floor. There's the floor, right. That's that. Okay. Right down there. So I already got my 2 Pro Press spots that I'm gonna cut into and place my Pro Presses there, Pro Press adapters, and then yeah, we'll put the box there, and yeah, I'll put in probably another Pro Press adapter here. That's for the hose bib outside. So over here, so open this out, clean that out. Right. So what I'll do is this is our cold, so I'll pick up this cold for the sink. I'll just tee off here, PEX tee, and I'll come over here, Pro Press adapter, and I'll stop here with copper. And then I'll just come straight down here with hot. That's hot right there. That's hot right there. And that'll be it then. So yeah, I'm gonna get cracking here. I'll start cutting this out. And yeah, I'll get you some footage. And new braided supply pipes as well, of course. Yep. Put that there for now. Sharpie. That's fine. Right. So, update. I'm gonna go from this cold up and combine into that cold. Then we're gonna come across and we're gonna tee into the laundry box. Laundry box here, we'll call it. Somewhere up high here like that. So, I'm gonna come down under here, that's my cold. This is my hot. That's my hot. Hot will just go into the box, and then I'll come across here, shut off valve, T into the cold, and then I'll pick that up as well and go up. I have to pre-crimp it, because when you have two pipes here, you don't have enough space to get your crimper on. So that's what I like to do. That way I can get a nice centered crimp. Like that. Then can just come straight down that way. 90. Hey.
Oh, looks good.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Getting there now, just literally about 1, 2, or 4 more connections.
It's not the easiest job in the world. Putting one of those in.
Do you know what? You're dead right.
Yeah.
You're dead right, and I don't like to say it that often, but yeah, it's tough sometimes.
Yeah.
It is tough sometimes. But you know, you try and make it work. You know, trial and error, rinse and repeat. You know, you kind of have to.
Yeah.
I want to make sure that everything looks symmetric, and you know, everything is lined up. So it's just sometimes it's a matter of inches and centimeters.
Yeah.
You want to make sure that it's all, you know, everything is lined up, that there's not too much slack in one place compared to the other. Now that's kind of crooked, you can see, so I'll just take it out and put that up. So yeah, almost there now. We should be able to turn the water on very shortly, maybe 10 minutes.
Well, we don't need it.
Yeah. Oh, and with the toilet, we'll have to wait at least maybe, I like to say 24 hours
Okay.
to let the silicone set. Because I put silicone at the base because the floor is a bit uneven.
Right.
Floor's a bit uneven. So if you wouldn't mind, I mean, you just can't sit in it, but you can use it. But yeah, if you wouldn't mind not sitting on it and let the silicone cure.
Give it 24 hours.
That's what I'd usually recommend. You could probably get away with, you know, tomorrow morning or something.
Yeah.
But yeah, just then the silicone will cure properly. Have to be braced. I think that's a small bit too long, is it? You think that looks alright to you? Or should I think I should cut it
Yeah, it should be a bit more.
more, right?
Yeah.
Better? Yeah.
Good enough. It's not quite, but it's good enough.
You think it's too long that way?
No.
No.
No. I mean, maybe maybe 5 millimeters, but I mean, I don't think it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's hardly noticeable. It's more noticeable on the separation.
Yeah. Try one more time. That's better.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
Actually, that does look better.
I think it was
Even
warped.
looks better on the.
Mm-hmm. So, any questions for me?
No,
Okay.
I don't think so.
Good.
I don't have to do anything. It's just except you said turn it off when
Yeah.
you go on vacation or something.
Exactly. So then the hot will be a straight shot down. Straight down. And then I'll pick up the hot coming down here.
Yeah.
Hopefully I might brace it to this lumber here.
Yeah. Wait a second.
And, so that's where we stand. New isolation valve for outside with the drip on top.
Yeah.
On top. Right there. In the winter months, just turn it off like that and open up the cap. Open up outside.
What was that again?
So in the winter months, isolate it.
Oh yeah,
like
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
And then that cap on top, open that up. Open that up.
Why is that?
And then what you do is you close this, open this, and open up outside, and then blow back in, and you can blow out all the remainder of air, of water, whatever water is inside there.
Yeah.
I checked all my joints. Everything's fine. I'll turn both these off. I'm not going to put the supply lines in yet. I'm just going to turn the water on. Everything is secure. It should. It should. Underneath this, it's just pisses. What I can do about it. Okay, we're on full bore. Everything's pissing all over the floor. We got a leak on the hot side. Damn it, we got a leak on the hot side. Classic. Should have a spare one there, an extra fitting. It's just classic, like you prep it, you do everything you can, and it's still not good enough. Okay, shut her off again. Good pro press, man. I don't get it. Stupid thing. Of course. Okay. Let's get cracking, so. So I'm out of ProPress adapters, so we'll have to sweat in up there. Cobwebs and stuff. properly seated joint all the way around. Okay. Okay. Time to turn that off. Turn on the water. So the problem is, that's going off at an angle. That stubby of copper is going off at an angle. So, and that's why when I pro pressed it on, I pro pressed it probably going straight, whereas it's going like that. What can you do? Very seldom you get PEX joint leaks, honestly. Only if they haven't been crimped have I ever seen them leak, to be honest. I think we're good here. Right, I'm just going to turn the supply lines really quick and that'll be it. Right guys, so we're just about done here. Just going to check this water main one more time. That's good. So we'll come back. We'll come back and do that hose bib next time. I don't have the time today. That all looks fine there. So there. And back here. Everything's all tidy. Everything's all back. So essentially what I did, I got my spray gun and I sprayed a bunch of water up there. You can see the difference. So I sprayed the shit out of it up there just for a good measure. You can see the water spray up in the ceiling, up on the floor. So that's just for good measure. And here's the final product. Hot and cold there. Drip valve for outside, and then my tee off the existing, which was done by another lad. And that's that. Try to keep everything as symmetric and whatnot as possible. No leak in there. Leaks. And then we come back and we'll do a pop up there with new drainage and a new faucet, and they will come inside here. We'll come inside here, 1.25 inches. 1.25 all the way. Alright, catch you on the next one.